How to verify your age on Roblox. So for this, we're going to use the mobile app so that we can do a selfie age verification. And when you first open up the Roblox application, you should see this message right here, which asks you to verify your age. So you can click on continue and wait for it to load. And it should redirect you to this page right here. Now you'll need to press continue, and it will ask you to get your camera ready and find a good lighting so that you can upload your selfie. Now once you press continue, it should open up your camera. Then you can basically align it to take a perfect picture where your face is fully visible. And then you can press the take a picture button down there. Now normally it should start automatically counting when you perfectly place your face inside the circle. It should start counting and take a picture automatically. But just in case if it doesn't, you can press the white button there to take a picture. And then the second time it should ask you to turn your face to the left and to the right, and it should automatically take a picture. And when it's done, it will take you, it will tell you the estimated age from the picture. Now, sometimes this might get it wrong and basically assign lower or higher age from the selfie picture. In that case, you can press continue with ID, select your country and then press continue, and then choose which ID you want to upload, whether driver license, national ID, or passport. And again, it should guide you through how to take a picture, and it will automatically basically take a picture of the document. And then it should start uploading and processing the ID, and you should get an immediate response after like few seconds, and it should tell you whether the ID or the picture of the ID is accepted or not. But the selfie should be enough if you actually don't want to bother with that. And if for some reason you don't see this box here that says the age verification is required, to access it, you want to go to more at the bottom here, and then scroll down and click on settings, and then go to account info. And if you scroll down in the account info, you should find this button right here, which says continue with selfie or continue with ID. And then you can click on continue with selfie and just go through the process of uploading a selfie again, and your account should be verified. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.